Today's video is all about the best degree college for women in Bengaluru. So we have come to Goodwill's Christian College for Women. So here's a quick disclaimer that this wasn't a planned promotional video or anything as such. This was purely from my side, my experience, my review that I would like to share with you all. So this may not seem like a professional kind of a video, but this is just a personal opinion and basically just trying to tell that I would recommend this college for anyone and everyone. Let's first know about the college. Goodwill's Christian College is well known for high standard of education, outstanding achievements in teaching, activities and learning. The college is located exactly opposite to Coles Park and the infrastructure is really eco-friendly and good. Surrounding is calm and composed. They offer strict, safe and secure environment. It's really strict by.
ये डर मुझे अच्छा लगा.
The students are rank holders and are encouraged for extracurricular activities, cultural fests and much more. Goodwill's teaches us and prepares us for the life ahead. Talking about the course, it's a duration for 3 years and we have various courses. I'll just put a poster here. Syllabus is really compact and manageable and we are encouraged for extra assignments that had to be done. A little hectic, but the teachers are really supportive and it really helps us in the studies. Many workshops are also arranged and the students maintain proper discipline. We were also taught for being mindful and respectful to each other. Okay. They are from the student council and they will take us around the campus because it's been 8 years since I studied and a lot of things have changed. The college has been upgraded and to really beautiful. So let's go around. So I'm really thankful for the teachers because they're so supportive that they encouraged me for such videos and they trusted me with my work. This is the botany lab. I was not a science student in the degree, but I always visited because it was so interesting and it's really nice. You'll find every useful things here for the studies. This is the computer lab. The classes are going on, so we don't want to disturb them. So like I mentioned, this wasn't a planned video, so nobody was aware of it and so we were just making a short video. The library is really well organized and I never had any problem searching for any kind of books, like anyone for any category you will find every book here. So I did not want to record the whole library because there were students doing their assignments. This is my favorite spot because here is where my study started from Goodwill's. First year, second year and third year. We can go to the second year first.
No, I think.
Hi ma'am. Yeah.
This is first BBA.
Okay.
There are quite a lot of changes after you leave the college.
So this was my class previously, my first year BBM when I used to do, which is now BBA. So the class has been changed and it was really nice to go through the whole classroom.
So this is a psychology lab where the students here study and then they learn about that.
Students.
This is the chemistry lab.
I remember this lab very well because I had friends from BSc and I would come over to meet them and this is a really interesting class. Since I did science in first and second Q, so I'm really fond of this kind of labs, so it's really interesting. The class is going on. We'll take a short clip, so I'll just take you around. So they personally train and teach you. The teachers are really friendly and very qualified.
Biology display.
Yeah, it's nice.
Final years are not because they have their internship.
Okay, the internships are going on, so some are empty. But yeah, we'll take you around.
This is
Welcome to our class.
classroom.
They're excited to show their classroom. Yeah, that's nice. So I came at the wrong time, I think, because short break bhi hai and the classes are a little empty because of the third year not being present here. But whatever it is, in short, I just want to tell you that this college is the best for education. The students get opportunity to get a job offered through the placement program and students have managed to get placed in top ranked companies in India. As well, right?
Yeah, but because of weather, we're not supposed to wear. That's actually a plus point for us.
Yeah, the teachers are so understanding, like it's convenient for the students. So thoughtful. The teachers are very helpful, supportive, knowledgeable, and qualified. I love the way of helping students. The teaching quality is too good, and students can actually understand well. They also motivate us on every subject.
So our college is a center. So these are the students where they come and write their exam, and this is a timetable of it.
When it comes to eligibility, it's obviously second PUC, and the admissions can be done online as well. You can check the website. You can also visit the office for convenient admission. Reservations are not needed.
We have a sanitary mission where you drop 5 rupees coin and you get it, and it's good and it's good for safety.
This
too.
shows that the college actually looks after the students so well. The fee structure is really feasible and less compared to other colleges for the quality of education we get here. The canteen is really hygienic and provides good food. जब से मैं पढ़ी थी तब से बहुत upgrade भी हो चुका है and it really seems good. I really like the family-like atmosphere here. It really feels like, second home. Honestly, I joined this college because it was literally 5 minutes away from my parents' home. But then also I saw good reviews. But my personal experience, if I have to say about this college, it's really, really good. If you see me as an entrepreneur here, Alhamdulillah, it is also because of the college, the teachers, the supportive teachers, the quality of education, the extracurricular activities. Along with studies, they encouraged me to do some fashion designing course and a lot of more things, which is why I was able to do a lot of things along with my studies. Like me, there are many students who achieved a lot in their life, and Alhamdulillah, the college is really good. I would totally recommend if you are looking for a women's college in Bengaluru. So there are many more classes behind me, as you can see, but obviously we cannot cover the whole campus in one video. In short, I just want to say you that students will feel very comfortable. The classes are really convenient and a lot of options are provided. Eco-friendly environment and very safe. This college really holds a lot of memories. Okay, if I have to say about the college, the video will extend to a lot more duration, which won't be feasible for now. So I just hope that it covered all the topics that was required for you to know and understand about the college. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like my video and I hope this brings a lot of attention to you about the college. Please subscribe to my channel, follow for more content.
يا مرحبا